10 Effective Management Styles for Leaders with real-life examples. A manager.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Manager's management style significantly shapes a team's performance, influencing how they execute their responsibilities. Selecting the right management style should align with your strengths, your team's needs, and the specific work environment you operate in. A comprehensive grasp of various management philosophies enables you to make informed decisions about which approach suits your organization best. In this article, we'll delve into the type of management styles, assisting you in pinpointing the one that aligns with your unique leadership approach. We'll explore 10 highly effective management styles and provide real-world instances of accomplished leaders successfully applying these styles in their leadership journeys. By the end, you'll have gained valuable insights to elevate your managerial skills and foster success within your team or organization. Now, what is a management style? A management style refers to the specific approach and methodology employed by a manager in pursuit of their organizational goals. It encompasses the manager's decision-making processes, methods of overseeing team members, and strategies for planning and delegating tasks. Importantly, managers often adapt and employ different management styles over the course of their careers to effectively address varying situations and challenges. This style is not fixed but is adaptable. Managers possess authority over internal operations such as establishing company policies, prioritizing tasks, fostering employee growth, and cultivating a harmonious workplace. Nevertheless, they must navigate external variables beyond their influence, such as economic conditions, market competition, customer behavior, and supplier relationships. These external forces profoundly impact managerial responsibilities, despite their inability to alter them. In short, a management style is like a personal guide that helps managers lead effectively in a changing business world. 10 types of management styles with real-life examples. There are lots of different ways to lead, and each one has its own set of characteristics. Here are 10 different types of management styles. 1. Autocratic management style. Autocratic management is characterized by a centralized decision-making process where the manager holds all the authority and makes decisions without seeking input from team members. This style is most effective in situations requiring quick, decisive action, such as emergencies or crisis management. However, it can lead to low team morale and reduced creativity as employees may feel their voices are not heard. Autocratic managers need to strike a balance by involving their team in decisions when appropriate to maintain a positive work environment. Example of autocratic management style. Steve Jobs, a co-founder of Apple Incorporated, was famous for his autocratic leadership. He made decisions with minimal team input and had a distinct vision. His approach led to the creation of groundbreaking products like the iPhone and iPad, but it also created a challenging work environment due to his high standards and strict control. There are several styles of leadership in business management. The autocratic management style is suitable for businesses in which the leader independently makes decisions with minimal team input. You can enhance these leadership skills by enrolling in Sprint Seal's business management training program, such as CBAP and CCBA. 2. Democratic management style. Democratic management involves team members in decision-making processes. Managers value the opinions and input of their team and make decisions collectively. This approach fosters a sense of ownership and empowerment among team members, leading to higher job satisfaction and increased creativity. It works well in organizations where collaboration and innovation are essential. Example of democratic management style. Mary Barra, CEO of General Motors, is known for her democratic leadership style. She actively seeks input from her team and encourages collaboration. Under her leadership, GM has fostered a culture of innovation, with employees feeling valued and contributing to the company's success.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.